现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin, and being that it's Valentine's month, we got a typical love song here by Xu Shihui or Amei. The song is called Isa Ning Ge Feng Yan, which means a room with just one person. So it's about a relationship that has its sweet memories, but they got to a point where they realized they have different personalities, and she can only accept her current situation without rocking the boat, hence feeling very lonely in that room. So let's take a listen to it.
이 대구식의 공간 이条送爱给熟练寒黑穷영병的哈贝的 boy 两三人的世界两个莫穷영의眼看千百风的心内寒黑相衬可能是个记忆水冷彩缤纷爱看着也有马街好欢喜街看定爱嘅無助真見感覺到愛嘅心送愛給熟練寒黑窮영병的哈貝的 boy 兩三人的世界兩個莫窮영의眼看千百風嘅心內寒黑相襯
当一个个性内敛沉稳的女孩爱上了一位热情奔放崇尚自由的男孩啊，虽然在交往过程中有很多值得回忆的甜蜜，但因为个性回忆啊，这个女孩也只能默默的承受，不想要强求。这就是这首一闪一个风言一个人的房间所带到的故事，也是许世慧的一首歌。在这边还是祝福大家有情人终成眷属。 We will see you next time. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.